Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 30th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 3 puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 8995. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has really 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 4 threes. All right. We have here 4 fours. Well. No fives. 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the 3s and the 4s are a majority. Can I start with the 3? No. Well, surprise. No. How about the 4s? Yeah, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4. Need a 4 here. Okay. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 6, 9. No, that will be difficult. 1. Need a 2, and I need an 8. 8. Okay, let me think. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1. Shoot there. 1 there. 1. Alright. How about 5, 6, 9. 5, 6. And I need a 7 here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7. Shoot there. 7. Need also here 7. That means in this row we need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. Here. We have a 7 there. Okay. Yeah. Need in these 2. Okay. Let me think. 9. 1. Not easy. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Okay. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 it should be there. Need a 4 here. 4. I need a 4 there. Okay. 7. Need a 7 there. Okay. I need a 5 here, and I need an 8. Okay. Come on. Need a 7 there. 7. Well. Let me think. 3. No 3 there. 3, 3, 3. Come on. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6. Yeah. The 7. 1, 1. 1 in this row, overlooked. 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1, shoot it down. Need 1 there. Need 1 there. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, okay. Well, I need a 3 here, I need a 9 there. Okay, in this row, middle row, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 3 could be here, or there. We see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. We see another 3 in that column, no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this middle row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 6. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes and here. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 in this column should be there. Need a 2 there. 2, 7, 5. Yeah. 7. Need a 7 there. So we need a 7 here. Okay. Well, 8 and a 6. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. This row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have 8 and the 6 in this big square, so no 8 and the 6 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8 then. These 3 missing numbers in this row are numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 9 goes there. Well, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. No 2 here. Need a 2 here or there. Let me think. We have all the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. 7, need a 7 there. Need a 6 there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places left, the 6 could be here, could be there. Okay, same for there. Need a 3 here. About the 8. Well. Need a 7, 5, and the 2. Need a 2 there. 2, 7, 5. Yeah. 9. Yeah. Come on. I'm thinking. 6, 7. Overlooked. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left. Oh wait, 7 and 5. We have 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yep. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. Third column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 2 there, okay. 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Okay. Interesting. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in the third column, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 8. Alright. We have a pair again. The 2 and 8. No. We already have a 2 here. Should be the numbers. The 5 then. What are those numbers? 3, yeah. 3 and 8 in the third column. 3 and 8 in the second column. So the first column. The only 3 places left with 3 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in the last row, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this column, third column, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left with 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. And I need a 9 here. Yeah, we need a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Together with the 2, we have a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the 2 in the last column? 2 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then. 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Come on. 7, 5, 8, and the 3. Those are 3 missing numbers. Well, we have a here 7 and a 5. We already have a 5 here in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left there, the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big row for number 3. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place level of 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now, the 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.